Eighth Global Family Office Investment Summit here in Dubai, hosted by the Ritossa Family Office. We are joined by another distinguished interviewee, Guillaume Vidal from Walnut Algorithms. Sir, it's very good to have you here.
Thank you for receiving me and thank you for being here.
First of all, why have you decided to come to Dubai in the first place? I know for you it's very important to make acquaintances of new family office and to be present in such an environment.
Yes. I've been in touch with Anthony for the past couple of years, and he's done an amazing job with this summit. It's probably one of the biggest family office reunion and summit in the world. And for us, we are Walnut Algorithm. We are an artificial intelligence company trading with artificial intelligence. We have a fund, and we are Paris-based. And the idea really is that a majority of our clients are family offices and fund of funds. And so being here is a way to first educate and know more and understand family offices and try to show them the capabilities about AI. It's a very complex technology. It's important for us to try to uncover and open that black box for them. And the second is to meet them and build relationship is definitely one of the best places to do so.
Now, tell us a little bit more about what you do with artificial intelligence at Walnut Algorithms. You said before, prior to the commencement of this interview, that you do what Google does with the chess game, for instance.
Yes, so we built the company in late 2014, so it's been over 4 years that we're doing this. In 2014, Google bought a company called DeepMind, which one of the very interesting parts of DeepMind is that they managed to beat the best chess player and the best Go player with artificial intelligence. It's a new form of artificial intelligence that's capable of learning and evolving by itself. And so what we did with this is we're using the same type of technology, which is the AI trading over 20 years of data. And we've been working on that platform for the last 5 years and working on the technology that's capable of using an AI that trades and learns how to trade as it evolves. And we show that it's been showing outperforming returns and very stable returns.
There's been inside the conference room a huge discussion about what will be the macro trends that will move the markets in the coming months. What are, in your opinion, the main driving force, the main point of attention that markets are looking closely right now?
Definitely, markets. 2018 has been a very tough year for markets. They're extremely volatile. We saw a December 2018 that went very sour, and uptrend in January. Incredible uptrend. The market's been up about 11% in 5 weeks. There's a lot of, I would say, people. The market is waiting for the Brexit, is waiting for what's happening between Trump and China, tariffs, and so it's extremely difficult to time currently. What we see is that definitely 2019 is going to be a very interesting year. We at the summit have heard many people saying that people expecting a downturn this year or over the next 2 years, and so most of the portfolios are in a risk-off, I would say, a setting. We at Walnut are a long-short intraday fund, and so we trade micro trends and try to navigate that volatility.
Now, how much is important to introduce for a family office the help of artificial intelligence in their process of decision making? Because traditionally some entities, some institutions tend to stick to traditional approach, probably old dated approach of investments.
Yes, so a lot of family offices have a very conservative traditional approach. This is not a bad thing. Especially here and with Sharia compliant finance, a lot of the investments are made into real assets, so real estate and commodities and long only stocks. Our goal is to educate on alternative asset classes and make sure that they have access to that diversifying asset class.
Lastly, what do you have in store for your business in the coming years? So what are you aiming at in the evolution of your business?
So we believe that artificial intelligence can disrupt investment management very well. Investment management can, if you look at AI as a technology, we believe it can be applied to investment management in three separate ways, and we are working on all three. One is providing a GPS to investors. A GPS means that, the same way if you drive around here in Dubai and you don't know this place, you can use Waze or Google Map. The same way AI can give you a GPS for the world and show you what's important, what's not, what are the right stocks to look at because they're undervalued or something like that. The second way to implement AI we see is stock. So in stock selection, stock picking is something that people have been doing for a long time, and AI can help you see what are the right stocks. It's in a sense factor investing 2.0. Having all the factors, weighting those factors, and showing you further factors to use in your factor models to be able to do some form of long only or long and short stock selection. The third way is the way we have started with is fully autonomous AI systems that are capable not only of looking at the market, of trading the market, but evolve constantly and trade autonomously. So what we have in-house and we have to propose is really our goal at Walnut Algorithms is really to be a leader in applying AI technology into investment management in all three ways, being able to develop in all strategies, sort of manage futures, stocks, global macro, event-driven, and make sense of very large sets of data in a very volatile environment, in a very complicated and noisy world.
Well, Mr. Vidal, thank you very much for your participation and for your time that you have dedicated to us. Thank you again. That's it. Thank you for having watched us.